Actually, in this whole world, every living organism need air to breathe. But in future, that air may be used as to produce food. Isn't it interesting? Let's see how it can be made. Actually, in this process, by using microbes in the air and using renewable energy, the hydrogen, carbon dioxide and oxygen is converted into vitamins and proteins. And this unusual process is discovered by German scientists. What do you think? Isn't it a good step towards sustainable food production? And what is the use why this process means? To secure the food safety, and it includes environment protection, and also it includes public health, and also it minimizes the land space used in agriculture. According to the German scientist, then we'll see now how this process works. In the first step, one bacteria called Thermoadobacter kiwiu. This bacteria converts hydrogen and carbon dioxide into acetate. And in the second step, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, it is also called as baker's yeast. It will convert oxygen as food, that is into proteins and vitamins. And by using renewable sources like wind power and also electrolysis of water, the useful hydrogen and oxygen can be harvested, and so there is no pollution to environment is done due to this process. Then we will see the results. The results are amazing. In this process, the produced yeast produces more amount of protein than the protein present in the meat, fish, pulses, etc. Actually, in 85 grams of yeast, that is which is equal to 6 spoons of yeast, 61% of protein is produced, which is equal to daily intake of a person. And in this yeast, another surprising presence is B9 vitamin is also available in this yeast. And only in the quantity of 6 grams of yeast, 1 day intake of B9 vitamin is available. And you may think this process is opposite to farmers. No, this process is not opposite to farmers. Actually, this process may help to achieve sustainable agriculture. Instead of producing food for animal feed, we may produce proteins using bioreactors. Then farming may seem much easier. Now we will know about the challenges set by German scientists. There are so many challenges according to them in this process by producing proteins and vitamins through bioreactors. They are telling that by producing this yeast, right quantity is more important, and also they should see scientific and financial issues. More than these factors, people's acceptance in the market is also more important. But when we intake more amount of yeast powder, gut problems can be produced in humans. So they done another experiment, like they tried to reduce harmful substances in the yeast, and the result is the protein quantity is not reduced. Isn't it surprising? But when compared to traditional methods of protein harvest, this type of harvest produces 41% of protein in daily intake.
So, in my view, actually to meet needs of increasing population, this bioreactor protein may be useful. It seems it is not non-vegetarian too. It's also sustainable, and in future it may be good thing to reach needs of increasing population. Please share your views in comments. For more interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.